Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to this session. In this session, we will discuss about pivot tables. Before we go to exercise how to create pivot tables, let's see the benefits of pivot tables. As you can see here, pivot tables helps us to manage our data much easier and in a very user-friendly way. And it also helps us to get valuable insights without hustling through the data. And it also helps us to analyze data much easier uh, than the big table that we obtain from the system. And also helps us to summarize data instantly and to make a good decision more efficiently. So yeah, let's do the practice and see how it looks. We have here very large data of uh, total of 15,000, over 15,000 rows. It's very large data. Uh, I'm scrolling through this very large data, 15,000 rows. Uh, to scroll up and down or to go to the end of this data, uh, you can simply press because uh, it's not easy to uh, scroll down like this. If we keep scrolling this down, it won't be easy for us to reach to 15,000 something. So, and it takes time. So instead of doing this, we can simply click here, control, and then down row on our keyboard. So that's just a tip for you to easily go through this big data. Now let's see what are the types of what kind of data is this uh, in this table. You see in the first column year, then type, then product group, then producer, code, volume, unitary cost, unitary price. And when we go down in this column, in the year column, we can read it like this: 2011, 2012, 2014, for sure 2015, 16 will be there. Yeah, 2013 is there. Yeah, it's data of like 4 or 5 years. So in each year we have uh, different stories that we see and analyze. We have product group. For example, we have drinks here. Let's scroll down a little. We have coffee, cosmetics, sweets, alcohol, beverage product, fresh salads, ice cream, vegetables. So we have different types of stores, different types of product groups, and we have different producers here, very different producers here, and volume in each year, cost of unit for each uh, product type, and the price. Great. So we can't easily understand and make a decision based on the data we see here. So we need a summary table that helps us to get uh, what is in this table. A summary table that brings together and helps us to get um, the better insights about this data. So to create pivot table, we go to insert. Before that, we have to select it, control all, and then it gets all the table here, and then go to insert menu, and then click on the pivot table here, and then you see this pop-up window. In this pop-up window, we have two options. The first one is before we see this, let's see what is here. in this table, this is showing the range of the table that we are looking into. So this table range is from column B, row 3. Row 3 is this one, column B is this one. From these two, column I, which is this one, to this is the last row, which is 15,121. So it shows the range of the table that we are creating pivot table from. All right. So here it gives us two options to create pivot table. The first one is new worksheet, creating new worksheet, like this, creating new worksheet. Second one is creating pivot table in the existing worksheet. So, okay, let's see this creating pivot table in the existing worksheet. In case of creating pivot table in the existing worksheet, we will not have another sheet here, but we will be creating pivot table just in front of this data around here somewhere. So let's click here and let's locate the at least the starting point of the table, and let's start from maybe from O, and then row 4, column O from row 4. Great. And then let's say OK. So it gives us options to create a pivot table. What you see are all the headers of the columns here. Year, type, product group, you see everything here. So which of these column header should be in the columns and in the rows? So we have to make a decision here, and what we want to see, what is that value that we want to see. So let's take volume as a value that we want to see, how much volume was sold out. Let's bring here. So you see immediately when we create a volume, it brought to two field. We remove from the rows, we just put it in the values. So in this case, you see count of volume, total volume. It counted total volume. But we are not looking for total volume. We are looking for the sum of volume. So we change here, we come to here, then value field setting, we go for sum. And then we have here, this is the sum of total volume. Great. So what do we want to see on the row? What do we want to see on the column? So let's put product group on the row. It's already here. And let's put year on the column. You see? So it's that much fast and automatic when we make a selection here. All right, so we have here product group: alcohol, beverage, bread products, cheese products, coffee, cornflakes, cosmetics, continues. And in each year, how many units were sold out from alcohol in 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014. Yeah, it's 4 years data in the grand total it shows. Okay, let's see something else along with this. Let's see who are the producers, and each producer sold out how much unit. Then we put here. If we don't want to see it here, we can move to column. So let it be like this. So we have here alcohol. Under alcohol, we have one producer. Under beverage, we have so many producers, including Pepsi, Red Bull. Yes. Under bread products, we have 4 producers, and we see how much was, or how many was sold out by each of the producers here, and this shows the total in each year. That looks cool. Yeah, in this way we can uh, try it, and then we can come up with the best optimum table that can help us to make good decision. So this is when we do this thing on the existing sheet. On the existing, we have data here, our data, and this is our pivot column, and we created just on the other parts of the given Excel sheet. All right, so let me let's go back and see what happens or how it looks when we have a new worksheet. Great, this is our original data, and then in the same way, let's control all, and then go to insert, then create pivot table, and then new worksheet. The range is the same. We can by the way put a limit to the range. So it depends on what kind of data you are looking for, and for how many years, what kind of product. So based on that, we can decide on the range of the table. So let's go for the new worksheet. Okay. So we have here worksheet 2. So in this worksheet 2, the same thing we see here, the pop-up window, pivot table fields. Okay, let's go for the same choice, volume here, and product groups here, and then also producers here. Yeah, let's change this one because it's still counting. It's counting. We don't want uh, the volume count. We want the sum of the volume. Yes, we want the sum of volume. Oh, we entered here the code, which we don't want. So I'll remove this code, and then we have here in the rows we have product group. As values we have here sum of the volume, and what do we want to put in the columns? Let's put year because it's good to put years on the column so that we can easily catch the point. Yes, so here we have years on the column and heading, grand total. In the same way, we can bring anything that makes sense, producer. So this is what we saw actually in the when we did on the existing sheet. So in this way, we can have a very good look to our data. It depends on what kind of information you want to get or what kind of decision you want to make. So this is how to create pivot table from a big table or from a big data, and it really simplifies large quantity of data and helps us to make optimum decision from a given data. So thank you so much for watching. If you like, please subscribe and give a like. Thank you for your time. See you with another video. Bye bye.